Hi, 1 Hour Smart Him here, and today I'm going to see if Super Alexa mode works on Google Home or Google Home Mini. So the reason that I wanted to do this is I actually have another video about what is Super Alexa mode and how it works on Alexa. And one of the top comments I got was, I tried it on my Google Home and it said cheap mode enabled. So I looked at that comment, I kind of laughed, and I wondered what would happen. Could I use Super Alexa mode on Google Home? So the first thing I tried was this. Okay, Google, what is Super Alexa mode?
On the website youtube.com, they say, Super Alexa mode is the Konami Code, which is a cheat code developed for Nintendo video games.
Okay, so it tells you what Super Alexa mode is, but that didn't activate it. So the next thing I tried was this. Okay, Google, activate Super Alexa mode.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Okay, so obviously it did not know how to activate it that way. So then I tried this final thing, which is going to show you how to activate Super Alexa mode on Google. But here's the catch. You'll see. Okay, Google, up, up, down, down, left, right, B.
According to Wikipedia, the Konami Code is a cheat code that appears in many Konami video games and some non-Konami games. The player can press the following sequence of buttons on the game controller to enable a cheat or.
Okay, so you can see there, Super Alexa mode does not work on Google Home or Google Home Mini. So I got completely duped by one of the comments that was the top comment on this other video. I thought that Google Home would work with Super Alexa mode, but it does not. So it'll tell you what Google Home will tell you what Super Alexa mode is, which is the Konami code, which is old video game cheat code, but it will not go into its own Super Google mode or anything like that. So just wanted to answer that for you. I'm going to post this to that comment so you can see the video, but Google Home does not work with Super Alexa mode. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thank you.